Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gutenberg in WordPress. Gutenberg is the powerful, default block editor that transformed content creation. It provides a visual interface, allowing you to build pages and posts using individual content blocks. Think of it as digital Lego for your website, where each piece or block serves a specific purpose. This intuitive system makes designing complex layouts much more accessible for Gutenberg's core concept revolves around blocks. Each block is a distinct content element, whether it's a heading, an image, a video, or a custom layout. To add a block, simply click the plus icon, often found in the top left or within the content area. You can then browse categories or use the search bar to find the exact block you need. Once added, each block has its own settings in the right-hand sidebar for fine-tuning. As you progress, you'll want to expand your trucking business. Use your earnings to buy more powerful trucks and customize them with various upgrades. You can also hire other drivers to work for your company, increasing your overall income. Don't forget to purchase additional garages in different cities to grow your operational reach. Investing in your driver skills, such as long-distance or fragile cargo, will unlock more lucrative and challenging contracts. Beyond the basics, Gutenberg offers powerful advanced features. Reusable blocks are fantastic for content you use often, like a call to action, saving you significant time. The list view, accessible from the top toolbar, gives you a clear hierarchical overview of every block on your page, making navigation simple. With full site editing, you can even design your entire website, including headers and footers, using the block editor. It's a comprehensive design tool.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.